What's up? Today quiz. Who am I? Man أنا. I help vehicles cross in an orderly manner. أنا أساعد في عبور السيارات بشكل منظم. Please see the picture in this video. طباخة. Who am I? Cooker or خياطة tailor or شروطة مروري traffic police. Please like, comment, share and current answer right in comment box. Thank you for viewers everyone. Assalamu alaikum.